follow her home.
Why?
She's obviously rich. Have a party at her house.
Okay. What's that? What was that?
I'm a branch. I'm a branch.
Okay, then.
Put it in the cheese jar. Son, you're so annoying.
Opening the door. La, 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 la.
You know what we should do? Let's kill her. She's dead. D, dead.
It's Pavlov.
Okay.
La 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 la, I'm singing in the shower. La 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 la. La 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 la. I've seen these on TV. It's a fry. Maybe it holds cheese.
What was that noise? Wow. How'd you get the fridge open, man?
I don't know. La 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 la. I'm getting out of the shower and getting dressed and going downstairs.
Oh no. What should we do?
I don't know. What happened to my fridge?
Fridge!
What?
What? Fridge. Yeah, fridge.
What are you guys doing in my house?
Get her! Get the chair! Bang! You know what we should do? We should start a party time right now. Let's call our friend Steve Jobs. Okay? I don't know his number. Hold on, wait. Hello?
Yo, what's up, Poshizzle?
Nothing, we're just having a party at a rich girl's house. You want to come over?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's nice. Come. What's up?
What's up? How's it hanging?
Yeah. Whatever.
Yeah, it is.
Let's destroy stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, destruction.
What are you guys doing to my house?
There's been a noise complaint here.
Who's that?
She's taking a nap.
On the floor.
Got a walking problem. She fell down.
Yeah.
Who am I?
You're on our knees.
What's my name?
Taylor.
What's my last name?
You. Uncle Steve. I love you, Uncle Steve.
What happened to my fridge?
It's a fridge. Fridge. I'll call it a fridge now. Cool. Strength.